Driving my Volvo XC90 along the freeway on a very hot July 4th. Temperature is 91 degrees and check engine light is on. No issues with drivability. I'm driving at 80 miles or close to 80 miles an hour, 16.1 mpg. So I think the check engine light is the leak detection pump going on. Usually if you're like probably less than 3/4 full, it will get activated. So I have a used part for that I'm going to check out, see if that works. Otherwise I'm gonna buy a new one, which is quite expensive. So far this car is pretty good. Driving it at 80 miles an hour, passing the Bronco over there. Yep. Yeah, I just passed it on. It's pretty much flawless. I mean, this car has like lots of power, lots of guts. I mean, I'm just accelerating at going to 80 without any effort at all. It just works fine. Yep, it's a Volkswagen Tiguan, I think, in front of me. Probably an Atlas, I think. Yep. So far, so good. I cannot be at 80 or more than 70 at this freeway. But, yep. AC also looks, feels really cold in this hot July, and I'm very close to home. Replacement part. It got some dent in here, but there's no cracks. So this thing is just like held up by tabs in here. Yep, tabs are all okay. Yep. And then there's like two more holes for the push pins in there. You have to secure it at the bottom. And this is how mine looks like. It's still in pretty decent condition, actually pretty good, except for that crack and missing what they call that cover. So I'm gonna slowly take it out and then put in the new one. So I got this out. And then this is how it looks like. Okay, now it's all looking good.